Hello, let's see how we can make this effect with Canva. Let's go to Canva homepage, click create, and here I'm entering Facebook post, and let's choose this size. Now let's go to left side menu, elements, and enter flying paper into the search field and choose graphics. Now we can choose any flying paper. For example, I'm choosing this one. You need to have Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can try Canva Pro for 30 days for free. Link you will find in description. And if you want to cancel your Canva Pro, you can go to your settings, then to your billing. And here you can click cancel plan. So let's come back to our design. We have flying paper. Now we need to go to edit, click on it, go to edit, and here let's go to filters. Click see all, and now scroll down and choose duotone effect. Click on duotone effect and highlights, click on the color and make it black. Now click on our flying paper and go to edit, and now choose shadows. Click see all. Now let's choose curved shadow. You can adjust blur and other settings. Now click on flying paper, right button, and click duplicate or click Ctrl+D. Now we have a copy. Click on this copy, go to edit and shadows and see and choose outline. And now we can choose outline color, let it be white. We can adjust size and intensity. And now click on our shadow, adjust size. Now we can click on the background color, click on white area, go to background colors and plus, and here we can choose any color. For example, I'm choosing this blue color. Okay, now let's go to apps and enter shape outline and click on shape outline app. Now click export design and click export. We can adjust size. I'm adjusting size and click export. Now I add a page and click on our shape outline. Click with left button of mouse and click cut out and add to design. Okay, we have our cutout. Now let's go to elements. And now you can search for photo what you want. For example, I'm choosing this my recently used photo. I can adjust size. We can go to transparency and adjust transparency and adjust how we want that it looks. So we can adjust our photo. And now we can go to transparency button and make it 100. Now click Ctrl+D. We have our double. Click on the photo on this one. And now we can click right button and layers and send to back. Okay, we have our photo into the frame. Now put this on top and click background remover. And now we need to adjust and we can cut. I'm cutting from this size. Click on the photo and just cutting. Okay, let it be like this. It's great, yes? Now we can download our photo. We can go to share button, click download, select this page and download. And our photo will upload into our downloads folder. Great! So I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like and subscribe. And see you next time.